me, Chloe, and for today's video, I'm going to do the fidget spinner dares. Here's my fidget spinner. There. See, it's white and it's just the basic design of the fidget spinner. And so, the fidget spinner dares are from my Facebook page that I asked you guys to comment on. So today I'm going to do it now. Okay, first dare. Lagay mo sa siko mo habang nag-spin. So that means I'm gonna put it on my elbow while it's spinning. So I'm gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna spin it first. This is my first attempt. I did it! Oh my god. Okay, so spin the fidget spinner on top of the tip of the pencil for 5 seconds while saying, "Hey guys, it's Chloe." Okay, let's do it. Here's my pencil. I'm gonna show you guys my pencil. Yeah, that's my pencil. Okay, so I'm gonna spin it on top. Oh my gosh, this is dangerous. Okay, there. Hey guys, it's me, Chloe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I did it, but it's slow, but I still did it. So next there is from Shiloh, and she says, "Spin the fidget spinner by blowing it." Okay. As you can see, it's not moving. Wait, there's no. There. It's not moving, so I'm gonna blow it. Oh, it's spinning! See? Spinning. So I did it. Spin mo, tapos ilipat mo sa kabilang kamay, then spin. Okay, I can do that. I did that a few times, but I'm not gonna put it here. Because I'm gonna do it while standing up because I might drop this and crack the floor. So oh, that's how you do it, yo. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Next there is from Justin, and he says, "Spin it on my nose." Okay. Let's do it. Wait. How you like that? Tugtog ka ng guitar using spinner or maybe ukulele. I don't know how to play the guitar, so I can't do that. Next there, lipad ka gamit yung spinner. So I'm gonna fly using the spinner, and I think it's gonna make me fly. Next there is from Ross, and he says, "Spin it on top of your forehead while clapping and doing the sound of a seal." Okay, let me see how that's gonna work. Seal sounds. Seal sounds. I can't do that. It's going to tangle with my hair. So I'm gonna try it again. Seal sounds. Is that okay? Itapon because it sucks, says by Joshua. So I'm gonna throw it. Okay, I'm back. Next there. Paikotin mo using your nose. Okay, so I'm gonna use my nose to spin this fidget spinner. Oh! There we go. Oh, we did it again. Spin the fidget spinner on your left pinky finger and transfer it to the right pinky finger without it from falling. Alright, let's do it. This is my pinky. There. I did it. It's so hard. Oh my god, wait, let me try this again. Oh! So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video with me playing with my fidget spinner, and like and like if give it, oh my god, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more.
Pop that.